welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for stopping by. If you are new, please do subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Today I am gonna be, it's not an unboxing because I kind of did look through the bag, but it's kind of an unboxing for you guys, or rather a kind of show. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in my free gift bag from Target. You get this bag when you have a baby registry there, and my baby's registry is at Target. So I'm just gonna show you the stuff that I got in the bag. So the first thing that we're gonna look at is this. It says baby organics, and apparently this is a baby brand. They have bath stuff, they have skincare stuff, household stuff, diapering, all type of stuff for babies. And we got a little sample here. Let's see if I can turn this down. Yeah, we got a little sample, and this is a moisturizing daily lotion from Baby Organics. So that's that. This is some breast pump thing. I guess they're advertising their breast pump. Couldn't just give me a pump. Just kidding. I have this book. It's a book full of coupons. Basically, a lot of coupons in this book. We have another thing with coupons. Kind of like skincare, though not baby related. Skincare and body. So that's not bad. The next thing is this 7th generation baby care. It says save on 7th generation baby care. And I think these are coupons. Lancino Smart Pump. This says it has breastfeeding samples, 2 disposable nursing pads, and 2 breast milk storage bags. So I guess that's what's in here. You can store breast milk in these storage bags. And it has 2 disposable nursing pads. Let's see, this is a diaper, and this says stand up. Actually, there's 2 diapers in here. There's 2 diapers in here. I don't know this brand. That's nice though. There's another thing here, and this is a diaper as well for newborns. I'm gonna open this one. Well, it has 2 diapers in it and 10 wipes actually. You can open it. And these are the cutest little diapers ever. They're so cute. And these are the wipes. Hopefully they're soft and baby friendly. The next thing that we have here is an Aquaphor. This says healing ointment for babies for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. These are some really cute samples. If I can go down a little bit there. Yeah. Next thing is we have this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula massage lotion for stretch marks. I've heard of this product. I heard it's a really good product. However, I don't really have stretch marks. We have 2 little samples here. Johnson's head to toe wash and shampoo, and I decided to work with this brand for him, Dove, and this is a tip to toe wash. It's a little sample, but it's really cute. I love these little samples. And last but not least, I got a Dr. Brown's Natural Flow. So it's a bottle, and I guess they say it fits most breast pumps, so I guess it would be a perfect type of bottle. It's really big. It's really big. I guess this would be the perfect bottle to attach to a breast pump, you know, to store milk in. I think it's kind of big to feed a newborn from, so maybe when he gets a little bit older, or maybe it's just a bottle that you store breast milk in. I'm not sure, but it has a nipple. Well guys, I really do appreciate this bag from Target. Yeah, they just have some cute little samples in here. I guess stuff that they recommend you can buy, that you can actually buy for your baby. I think this video is very different, so I was excited to do it, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you have a baby? Do you have a registry for your baby? Did you have a registry for your baby? Did you get a welcome box? What are the items that you got in your welcome box? Stay tuned for my next upload guys.